How to make money online in 1 hour. Are you looking to make some quick cash online? In this video, we'll explore some legitimate ways to earn money online in just 1 hour. From freelancing to online surveys, we'll show you how to get started and start earning money quickly. Method 1. Freelance platforms. One way to make money online in 1 hour is by offering your skills on freelance platforms. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on projects that match your expertise. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, or social media management. Method 2. Online surveys. Another way to earn money online is by completing online surveys. Sign up with survey sites, complete your profile, and start taking surveys. You can earn rewards or cash payouts for your opinions. Method 3. Selling products online. You can also make money online by selling products on e-commerce platforms. Look for items you no longer need or can source cheaply and resell them online. You can also utilize platforms like Facebook Marketplace or local online selling groups. Method 4. Gig economy jobs. Gig economy jobs are another way to earn money online quickly. Sign up with platforms that connect you with people who need help with tasks, errands, or odd jobs. You can offer services like delivery, handyman work, or pet sitting. Method 5. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Sign up with tutoring platforms, create a profile, and start teaching students online. You can earn money by sharing your knowledge and helping others learn. Making money online in 1 hour is possible with the right strategies. By leveraging freelance platforms, online surveys, selling products online, gig economy jobs, or online tutoring, you can start earning money quickly. Remember to always research opportunities thoroughly and stay safe online. Want to learn more about making money online? Check out Diz of Money for more resources and tips, or download our free guide to get started.